Good morning, students. Myself, Purendrakumar Deogirkar from Barucha Road, Municipal Hindi School number 1, Daisar, Mumbai. Today we are going to learn a realistic topic, that is object drawing. There are two types of object. First is natural and second is man-made. You can draw the drawing on household goods, household objects, as well as vegetable and fruits. Okay, because it should be the tabletop object, not huge size. Okay, so we should arrange the object on your tabletop and observe it properly 2 or 3 minutes, and then you should start your drawing. What I am saying, you should observe. Observation is very important to make any drawing, especially in realistic drawing. So observation part is very important. So you should observe it 2 to 3 minutes first, and then you can start your drawing. Okay, so how to draw and how to paint to this object, I will show you. Okay, today we are drawing of natural object, that is brinjal. It is easily available in our house, in our kitchen. So you can take this object for today's drawing. Okay, now I'll move my camera on the board. Okay, now you can see the object. The basic shape of this object is, the main body shape is in oval, but not proper oval. It is, there is big size and there is small size. That's why we should draw basic shape of this object like this, near about like this. Okay, you can take group of objects also, or for practices in initial stage you can take single objects for the practice. Okay, today I'll use color pencil. You can use also pastel colors, watercolors, poster colors, etc. First of all, we will start the drawing with the regular HB pencil or 2B pencil. Okay, I'll make it little bit bigger size, because of visibility. Okay, so you will you can see proper shape, but you have to draw proper size. Okay, only for you I am making little bit bigger size. This is the rough oval. Then external part, the tail. How it is? After oval basic shape, you should draw the external part, additional part. Okay. Like this, very lightly. And then you can draw properly. Okay. Very carefully, because the pencil sketch is very important. Then how it is? And this is comes from the center. Okay. So I'll guideline, center guideline, and then I'll draw this type of shape. Try to draw as like as the reference object. Okay. Okay. Now rough drawing almost completed. You can correct it in this stage only. Okay. You can correct in second stage also, but you need to correct in first stage, because this is only rough sketch. I drawn bigger size for your better visibility only. Oh, got it? Okay. So first of all, decide the shade and light where it is, or you can draw it is, if it is top light, so you can divide this into three parts like this in with the help of curve lines. Okay. One, two, three. Light, middle, and dark. Here also. Here shade light, here middle light, and here light. Okay. Now we'll start the color. This is the light green, and this green shade is darker than this shade. Okay. So first of all, light yellow I am using for base color. Okay. To bifurcate our shape. properly. Okay. Now, then light green only for bifurcate. Okay. This is middle tone. I'm using very lightly. Okay. And then I'll use darker shade. Light, middle, and dark. I'm not using the top of this pencil tip. I'm using flat area of this pencil. Okay. Now you can feel the color. There is a light color, that's why we will keep light on the top. Now you can use little bit pressure on the pencil. Increase your pressure. Gradually. Okay. If you need pressure, you can give. Otherwise, not necessary. You should move your hands with the same pattern line, curved lines, because this is oval shape. That's why I am rendering this pencil with the curve line, not straight line or not vertical lines. I am using only curved lines because there are the pattern. That's why we will use okay, middle tone and light tone has been covered properly. Somewhere we should draw sharp lines. Like this. Okay. Now, the base and first tone has been almost filled. Okay. Then we will try to fill this color middle tone, light tone, first application is I am using yellow color, but we will use on this color light green color. I will use light green color. For judgment, I am using yellow color only. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the shade and light clearly. Yes. Slowly, slowly. You can apply the colors on that particular shape. Okay. Now, give the proper shade line, shade and light on this shape. Okay, now basic color almost finished. Okay, light and middle only applied here. Now we will use dark color in shadow area. It means lower part of this object, like this. Move your hand, apply the colors gently, softly. Using darker line. Fill it properly. Student, I'll show you how other colors also can use in one color object. What are the uses of other colors also? I'll show you. Okay. This is very interesting. I kept a smooth border, light border to differentiate these shapes. Okay. Okay. Now, a brown color. I'll use to darker, with the darker tone to the green. Okay, somewhere you can see the brown shade. Okay, to more darker tone, you can use the brown. Okay, somewhere you can use darker color, but in same pattern. Then you will get the results. Okay, students, not straight line, not vertical lines. You have to move your hand in same pattern. Be careful about this. Okay, darker shade with brown color. You can use purple color also. This one, you can see pattern with the purple color. Brown and purple color, there are two shades. The pattern should be moved in same way. Okay, like this. Some details you can catch in your drawing. Okay, simply you have to move your hand with the pattern. Okay, it will be better to complete your realistic drawing. This is darker little bit. Okay, brown and purple. I'm using two color combination for this pattern. Okay, and last one is the tail. Okay, you will get lighter tone because of yellow tint. Yes, and in the end you can see the brown color. So use I didn't use only green color shades. If you observed, I used brown color also, violet or purple color also to make this drawing realistic. because if it is only green color, but you in the shade you can see the darker color like brown, purple. That's why I am using different colors. You should also observe the colors in the shade. How are they looks like? Okay. Some additional detail as per our drawing. Okay. This is the light, middle, and dark tone. You can see clearly three tones: light, middle, and dark. Now, shadow. If you want to draw the shadow, you can also. You should use light gray color. For this shadow. Softly, not use directly. You should use softly this shadow color and spread it properly with the pattern. Okay. It's not more difficult if you will follow. You have to fill the in shade and light, middle, dark, and you have to use the lines in particular pattern. Okay, then you can see the effect of realistic object drawing. You can give the smoothness with your finger, cotton, whatever you can use. So I'll show you closely. You can also do this type of drawing. You need to apply the colors with pattern and shade and light, middle, and dark. Light, middle, and dark. You can see. Not it is very tough, but you will get the result with this technique. What is student? Okay. Uh, this is our today's object, and you can also do this type of drawing with basic techniques, and Hope you will also do the better drawing and you will post on your WhatsApp group. Okay. So hope you enjoyed today's practical. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.